My name is Fredrik Lundqvist. I'm the inventor of the Exopulse Molly suit. I started working with disabilities in 1999 with a man with MS, and I started to see the need to reduce spasticity. We have big groups in MS, cerebral palsy and stroke sufferers, or other people who are spastic. We can reach all the muscles in the body with electrodes inside and a stimulator on the front of the body. So we are choosing to help the weak muscle. So we're always choosing the muscle that is losing against the spastic antagonist. So if biceps is spastic, we stimulate the triceps. We have seen improved walking, improved balance, improved posture, improved ability to use the hands, for example, improved sleeping quality in many cases.
Imam boli od cerebralne polarize od rođenja. Ja sam njegova baka koja je preuzela brigu o njemu od tko se rodio. Odijelo Ivan ima godinu dana kupio, on je bio dosta u spazmu prije toga, a sada više nema toga. Ja sam njemu nisam mogla obući majicu jer mi je ovako ruka stala, a sada je on opušten, spazam je popustio, noge su savjetljivije. Mislim, bolje jede i pije, dobro, ono, uzme slanku i bocu i on tako pije, bolje hvata hranu, bolje jede nego što je prije jeo. Dosta bolje, dosta više riječi, dosta bolje govori nego je govorio. Znaš što na telefon, na momter kad pričam, prije sad kaže, kako imam bolje priča. Puno opušteniji.
Da, puno opušteniji.
I ruke ispravljenije.
Ruke.
Meni je veliko olakšanje, meni je lakše jer više stara sam, malo manje i snage imam. Pa očekujem da će on ojačati koliko toliko na noge, da neće ovako ostati.
Already when we do the test, we can have an indication if the suit can help them. Then, after a while, they can use it every second day. So they don't have to use it every day because the effect lasts, which is a big advantage. Usually say that the reduction of spasticity opens a window of opportunity. Of course, they have this relaxation when they use the suit every time, but if they want to get better and better moving, they have to train, they have to do rehabilitation. If they contact Ottobock, they can get a scheduled time to do a test, and then they can come for a trial, and they can come for other trial too. So it's not only one time use that we evaluate, it's also more use. So it's a good way for someone to get to know the suit and to understand what it can do for you, or an indication that it works.